Here is Ginger, my almost 10-week-old Vizsla puppy. I have her bird that I'm training her to get instead of my shoes. So I'm going to throw it and quote-unquote hide it so she can go and get it and bring it back to me and she'll get a treat. So we'll try that. Ginger, come! Good girl. Good girl. Good come. Now I'll throw this bird over there. Ginger, sit. 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 She's excited about the bird. Ginger, sit. Alright, that's another story. Ginger. Ginger, sit. Good girl. Go get your bird. Go get your bird. Go get your bird. Ginger, go get your bird. Go find your bird. Go get it. Ginger. Now she's disinterested since I have the camera on. Go get your bird. Go get your bird. Go get your bird. Go and get your bird. Go get it. There she goes. She's going to bring a bird back. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Good job. Good puppy. That's a good puppy. Got your bird, huh? He's a good girl. Yeah. So now, hopefully, she will leave my shoes alone. I know it's going to take a little more time, but at least for a while, if she brings that bird back, she's going to get a treat. So, there you go. Ginger, almost 10 weeks old. Good girl.